Showcasing an immaculate renovation with world-class views to Sydney City and Harbour Bridge. Hi, my name's Ty Davis. I can't wait to show you through this home. It has been lovingly owned and renovated and is for yours to inspect. Let's go take a look. Positioned at the rear of the block, capturing breathtaking views to Australia's most iconic CBD. As you enter the front door, you're immediately struck by beautiful timber floorboards as well as a sense of privacy. Moving through, you'll find a living and dining space which flows effortlessly into the chef's kitchen. The kitchen for this property is certainly a feature. It offers 40mm timber benchtop, preferred gas cooking and stainless steel appliances. Other features include internal washer dryer, plantation shutters, ceiling fans, as well as a northern aspect. Something that I love about this apartment that I know will stand out to so many buyers in this price range, apart from the Mosman Bay location, has to be the impeccable renovation. It's all been done for you with nothing left but to move in and enjoy. The accommodation is generous across 2 well-sized bedrooms, the main including built-in cupboards with ample storage. These bedrooms are serviced by a beautifully renovated bathroom, which includes a separate shower and bathtub. Positioned only a short stroll away from all modern conveniences, including Mosman Village, local government transport to the city, Mosman Bay Wharf, as well as iconic Balmoral Beach. Only a short stroll away from everything Mosman has to offer, including Mosman Bay Wharf. I know this property is a must-see. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise I'll see you at the next inspection.